Hello, everyone. Welcome to Resume Building from the Bayway Family Success Center. My name is Opal Montes, and I'm the site director. Today, we're going to be looking at how to build your resume in 7 easy steps. Let's get started. First, let's choose the right resume format. How do you want to organize your resume? Do you want to head it with your experience or your education? Well, that's going to depend on the position you're applying to and which one is more relevant. Also, remember that the layout should be clean, orderly, and clear. Let's look at these 3 examples. Let's start with the one on your left, highlighted in red. This one is too cluttered and has too much information, where the one on the right, highlighted in yellow, does not have enough information. The one in the middle, highlighted in green, has just the right amount of information and is clearly outlined for employers to be able to find the information they need to make sure that you are a qualified applicant. Next, let's add your contact information and personal details at the header. This will get your resume started. Add your name and last name and current contact information where employers may reach you. The contact information should include email, phone number, home address, and any website or professional profile you may want to highlight. An example of that might be your LinkedIn profile. Make sure you use a professional email address. Next, add a summary or an objective. Add a short summary that highlights your experience and skills in 2 or 3 sentences. Or you can add an objective by adding 2 or 3 sentences that express your interest in the position you're applying to. Let's look at an example of a summary. This summary is for somebody who's applying to be a cashier at a supermarket or a restaurant. Upbeat and flexible cashier who is highly energetic, outgoing, and detail oriented, handles multiple responsibilities simultaneously while providing exceptional customer service, driven and results focused with expertise in multiple restaurant roles. Next, let's list your relevant work experience. List your most current work experience. It should be within the last 10 years. Your experience should be in a reverse chronological order. It should be relevant to the position you are applying to. Provide details of the work that you have done in accordance to the position you have held. Provide the names of the companies you worked for previously, the cities and states that they were located in, and the title of the positions you held. Also, please note on how you should provide the date that you have worked from. It should be start date in a month-year format to last day you held the position in a month-year format. If you're still working or currently holding that position, make sure that you write start date in a month-year format to the word present or current, as seen in the examples. Next, let's list your education correctly. It should be in the reverse chronological order as well, starting with the latest, and you should include any highlights and details from your educational experience. Provide the name of the schools, cities, and states where school is located, name of degree and concentrations. Also include start dates to degree completion dates. If you're still working on the degree, you can use start date to present as you did for the job descriptions. Next, let's list relevant skills to the position you're applying to. List any language skills, software management, and any others that may be relevant to enhance your resume. Let's look at some examples of that. You can add cash handling skills, dining room management, efficiency, open table reserve, conversational Spanish, interpersonal skills, or configuration management using Puppet, Ansible, and Chef. Finally, you can include additional important resume sections. Anything else that you might want to include that will add to your resume and make you a better fit for the position. Examples of those sections can be volunteer work, credentials, continuing education, or seminars that you have done, as seen in these examples. Now you're all done and ready to apply. Your resume is ready for you to save on your computer or into a USB drive. You can save it by naming it your name, last name, resume, or name, last name, and year that you created it. An example of that might be Jane Doe Resume or Jane Doe 2020. Good luck! Remember, although we are not open to the public, you can still schedule an appointment with us via Zoom video call by reaching out to our cell phone 908-875-8049. That number again is 908-875-8049. We will help you with your resume, and appointments are on Fridays. Remember to follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Bayway Family Success Center. We post family videos on Tuesdays and Thursdays, recap videos on Wednesdays, and resource videos like this one's on Friday. Thank you so much for your support. We will see you next week. And remember to complete the census survey today.